Oh, hello guys, welcome to Preetham Learning. Now I am going to tell you some information about Galileo Galilei. So let's start. Who was Galileo Galilei? Galileo Galilei was an Italian astronomer, mathematician, physicist, philosopher, and professor who made pioneering observation of nature with long-lasting implications for the study of physics. He also constructed a telescope and supported Copernicus theory, which supports a sun-centered solar system. Galileo was accused twice of heresy by the church for his beliefs and wrote a number of books by his ideas. What was Galileo's early life? Galileo Galilei was born in Pisa in the Duchy of Florence, Italy on Feb 15, 1564. Galileo was the first of 6 children born to Vincenzo Galilei, a well-known musician and music theorist, and Giulia Ammanati. In 1574, the family moved to Florence, where Galileo started his formal education at the Camblos Monastery in Vallombrosa. Galileo and his education. In 1583, Galileo entered the University of Pisa to study medicine. Armed with prodigious intelligence and drive, he soon became fascinated with many subjects like particularly mathematics and physics. While at Pisa, Galileo was exposed to the Astronomian view of the world, then the leading scientific authority and the only one syndicated by the Roman Catholic Church. At first, Galileo supported these views like any other intellectual of his time and was on track to be university professor. However, due to financial difficulties, Galileo left the university in 1585 before earning his degree. Galileo as his professor. Galileo continued to study mathematics after leaving the university, supporting himself with minor teaching positions. During this time, he began his 2-decade study on object in motion and published A Little Balance, describing the hydrostatic principles of weighing small quantities, which brought him some fame. This gained him a teaching post at the University of Pisa in 1589. While there, Galileo conducted his fabled experiment with falling objects and produced his manuscript De Motu on motion, a departure from Astronomian views about motion and falling objects. Galileo developed an argument about his work and his strident criticisms of astrology left him isolated among his colleagues. In 1592, his contract with the University of Pisa was renewed. Galileo quickly found a new position at the University of Padua, teaching geometry, mechanics, and astronomy. The appointment was fortunate, for his father had died in 1591, leaving Galileo entrusted with the care of his younger brother. During his 18th century at Padua, he gave entertaining lectures and attracted large crowd of followers, further increasing his fame and his sense of mission. Galileo's telescope. In July 1609, Galileo learned about a simple telescope built by Duchy eyeglasses and soon developed one of his own. In August, he demonstrated it to some Venetian merchants who saw its value for navigation and spotting ships. The merchant gave Galileo a salary to manufacture several of them. Galileo's ambition pushed him to go further, and in fall of 1909, he made fateful decision to turn his telescope toward heavens. Using his telescope to explore the universe, Galileo observed the moon and found Venus had a face like moon, providing it rotated around the sun, which refuted the Astronomian doctrine that the earth was center of the universe. He also discovered Jupiter had revolving moons that do not revolve around the earth planet. In 1613, he published his observation of sunspots, which also refined Astronomian doctrine that sun was perfect. What did Galileo discover after making telescope? In addition to the telescope and his numerous mathematical and scientific discoveries, in 1604, Galileo constructed a hydrostatic balance for measuring small objects. The same year, he also defined his theories on motion and falling objects and developed the universal law of acceleration, which all objects in the universe obey. He also devised a type of similar thermometer. books made by Galileo Galilei. Galileo published a number of books through his career, including The Operation of the Geometrical and Military Compass, which relieved Galileo's skill with experiment and practical technological applications. The Starry Messenger, 1610, a small booklet revealing Galileo's discoveries that the moon was not flat and smooth but a sphere with mountains and craters. Discards on Body in Water, 1612, which refuted the Estonian explanation of why objects float on water, saying that it wasn't because of their flat shape, but instead the weight of the object in relation to the water it displaced. Dialogue concerning the two-chef world system, 1632. A decision among the three people, one who supports the Copernicus theory, one who argues against it, and one who is impartial. Though Galileo claimed dialogues was neutral, it was clearly not. The advocate of Estonian beliefs became across as the simpleton getting caught in his own arguments. Two scientists, a summary of Galileo's life's work on the science of motion and strength of materials.